guys, I'm Faris, and today we're going to be doing numbers 90 to 100 in ASL, as last week we did numbers 80 to 90. So let's get started. So last week we learned 90 in sign language, which is just 90, 90, and now 91, 9, 1, 92, 9, 2, 93, 9, 3, 94, 9, 4, 95, 9, 5. Now for the rocking numbers, it's kind of like 6, whereas 6 was always shoulder to head. 90 is always head to shoulder because there's no number other than 100 that's higher than 90 that we're going to do today. So we're going to have it always going from this way to this way. Okay, so we're going to start off with 96, 97, 98, 98, and now 99, 99, and 100 is 1C. So 1C. 100. Okay, now we're going to do it one time slowly, then we're going to do it another time slowly, and then we'll do it normal pace. Okay, so we're going to do 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. And make sure when you're doing your 100, you take your 1 and you pull back just a little bit for the C. 100. So now we're going to do it one more time very slowly, and make sure to follow along. 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and 100. Awesome! So now we're going to do it one more time in normal speed. 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and 100. Awesome. Now be sure to stay tuned for next week when we do all of the numbers together. Bye for now.